Hello friends. The purpose of this little demo here is to raise awareness for the virtues of 3M's Roloc bristle discs. Now what we have lying here on the floor is a little sampling of just a few of the options. There's a lot of options available that they have. Now these are the 2-inch version of the discs for use on a little die grinder. So what I want to point out here is the ease of use. This little backing plate is really cool. You just mount it in the die grinder, and this is simply the backing plate, and then you can take any of these discs and screw them into the backing plate. And now the different colors are actually different abrasion levels. In order from most abrasive to least abrasive would be the purple, which is designed basically for body work when you want to, let's say, maybe take undercoating off or rust. You're working with stuff like that. That's where you want to use that. It's too abrasive to use for a lot of things. The next would be the green, which, as you can see, some of these I've used more than others. This one's worn down pretty good. It's not as doesn't have as much bristle left as what the yellow one does. This one wasn't used at all yet. And this would be, I believe the purple is a 24 grit. This is a 50 grit, and the yellow is 80 grit, and then the white, which is a 120 grit. Now, this is the one I'm going to be using today. I got a intake manifold, aluminum intake manifold that I'm going to be preparing to reinstall. So I need to take the old gasket junk off of there and just clean it up. And being aluminum is a soft metal, I'm going to use this. What I like to do normally is use the finest that I can. If I'm doing a project and I got a tough spot where, you know, this isn't going to cut it, then I'll put something a little more abrasive on a tough spot. But I like to go easy. I just usually like to go as soft as possible. So we're going to just do a little demo here on this intake manifold. So here we go. This is the backing pad, and you just take the disc, and it's left-hand thread. So you just screw it into there, and that's what holds it on. The left-hand thread keeps it from spinning off. And so we're going to go and strip a little material off of this intake manifold. So let's see how it works. Yeah, you can see where the coolant ports are. It's a little more pitted. Let me zoom in on that for you a little bit. Doesn't polish up quite as well as it does on the intake ports. Intake ports, you can see they're all nice and cleaned up. There we got some rough again around the intake ports on either end, so I'm going to pretty much call it good enough, though. That's about about what we're looking for. So I'm going to clean the other side up and we're ready to put it back on. Well, there you go. You got to see this little guy in action. So yeah, as you can see, they definitely make quick work of cleaning up gasket mating surfaces on pretty much any type of material, you know, steel or aluminum. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little demo and was a help to you.